Hey everyone! Today we are opening Lenovo's Legion 716-inch Gen 11. You can find the full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on LaptopMedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. To reach the components, we need to undo 8 screws and remove the bottom panel. We are using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. This screw is a bit stubborn, so we will come back to it later. The 2 center screws near the hinges are longer. With a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the bottom panel clips. We start from the 2 short sides because the front clips hold more firmly here. Be careful not to push the tool too far inside and damage a component. The bottom panel is now removed. The panel has thermal pads and copper plates to spread heat from key parts. These clips hold the bottom panel very firmly. Disconnect the battery connector first. This is the primary SSD slot. Here is the second M.2 2280 slot. This is the Wi-Fi card. The processor sits under this cooling assembly. The memory is soldered and not upgradable. The dedicated graphics chip sits lower down. The cooling system uses 2 fans and a wide heat spreader. First, we remove the battery screws so the connector is easier to reach. This is an 84 watt-hour battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Here is the battery itself. Watch the small soldered components nearby and keep the tool under control. Now we remove the primary SSD. The installed Union memory drive is 1 TB on PCI Express 4x4. The second slot supports a 2280 SSD on PCI Express 4x2. We return the primary SSD to its slot. With the antennas and screw removed, the Wi-Fi card can come out. The card is Wi-Fi 7 2x2 with Bluetooth 5.4. We are putting the battery back in place. That was the inside of Lenovo's Legion 7 16-inch Gen 11, including the cooling, battery, storage, and wireless card. For thermal tests, display analysis, battery life, and upgrade details, check the full review on LaptopMedia.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more laptop videos.